Airsoft UK 909, and today I'm bringing you another unboxing. So this is my unboxing from Airsoft Zone and Only BB Guns. I've got some gas, the G17 Gen 4 pistol, which is in there, and I've got some other stuff. So let's open it. Oh my god, this is going to be hard. Right, that really hurt my fingers, but here we are. This is the gas. It is arms gas, aim top power gas, green gas. So yeah, 1,100 milliliters. So yeah, quite nice, pretty cheap. And a sticker for Only BB Guns on it. Right, so there's a knife. Okay, so let's get into the box. Just rubbish. So this is the box. It actually came really quick, so I wanted to unbox this for ages, but I had to wait for my birthday. So yeah, today is my birthday, so happy birthday to me. So we've just opened the box. It took quite a while to open that because they packaged it really well. So we've just got these like massive bubble wrap. Yeah. Alright, now I've got the good stuff. Oh, I've got a patch saying G&G ornament, whatever. I've got another G&G top 5, some sort of, I don't really know what this is, but yeah, I got that. This is quite good. I also got another Airsoft Zone patch. They're quite good quality. So now I'll just open the speed loader. This is an ASG 100 round black speed loader. This cost £5, I think. That's actually really easy to open, but yeah, I can't bother taking out the whole packaging, so I'll just put that there. Okay, so product warranty. Right, yeah. Tested. Please send in a box. Okay. Right. So here's well, this is actually proper heavy. The Wii Tactical New Series G17. So I'll open that in a second. That is a really heavy box. Okay, I have a spare magazine for the pistol. This is a really heavy mag. And and then I have some 3000 ASG 20g BBs. Okay, so there's the box. Okay, what should we open first? We'll open the mag. Yeah, bags. Okay, I'll open the mag first. Okay, really we should open the mag first, but what the heck. Okay. That is a really heavy mag. Hold on, mag. It's this looks really nice. It's proper heavy. Holds 23, 24. Yeah, I don't know. It's even got some of the real steel, like, that's how you know how many bullets you've got. It's a valve. No, that was a, well, I don't know. This is my first gas blow back pistol, so I might not know everything. It's alright. Okay, so, well, they two-tone the lower, which I guess that's not bad, but okay, so here it is first. We have the instruction manual. It says G series. Just got basically a simple manual. I'll have a look through this, see what it says, because I'm new to gas blowback pistols. So yeah, pretty basic. Shows a good description of the gun. Put that here. So now, these are with the Gen 4 only. You get 2 back straps to make the gun bigger for your hand. Put them there. You also, I don't know what this is for, but yeah, another magazine. So put that over there, and then we have the pistol. And the pistol is really heavy. The pistol is proper heavy. Oh, it's really nice. Really nice, really heavy. So yeah, so Airsoft UK909. Thanks for watching. We should have another unboxing pretty soon of Charlie's gun. He ordered that. It should be coming Monday or Tuesday. That'll be pretty soon. We will be doing a firing test after this, put it in slow motion. So yeah, thanks for watching.